Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word fractional. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company reduced its ownership stake in the project to a fractional percentage. Fractional means relating to or involving a numerical value less than 1, often expressed as a fraction instead of a whole number. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.